G'day folks, this is DIY Guy 123 here. I'm going to talk to you about replacing a light in the oven. Now you can see this oven has two lights, one there, one there. Those lights are controlled by a switch right here. So when I press on this switch, I simulate closing the door and the light goes out. Alrighty, so what have we got to do to resolve this problem with the one light that's not working? Well, I happen to know from the wiring diagram, and I took the cover off the back for another reason, unrelated, that the power comes from the switch to this light first, this light socket first, and then wires head off to that light in parallel. So the fact that there's power there tells me for sure there's power here. So I'm pretty confident it's simply a burnt out light. So to get the burnout light out of there, I'm going to take this little wire and just sort of drop it all over the place like that. Anyway, it looks like this. As when it's lying flat, that's a 90 and that's a flat right there. So I'll park that guy over here. Take the glass bulb and put that over here. You can clean that if you want. And then you unscrew this bulb. Screw it back in just a bit to see if it was maybe loose, but it's not in this case. Now oven bulbs, yeah, I can see the filament is broken. Oven bulbs are not like ordinary light bulbs you'd put in a lamp or in a light fixture. They're special, so if you go to your hardware store or your appliance shop and ask for an oven bulb, it will say right on the package, oven bulb. So to put this back in, I'm going to feed it into a hole like this, bring it over like this, and when I turn it at an angle like that, this one will drop in, and then when I stand it up, they'll both be locked in. Okay, so here we are. Got a new light bulb screwed in there. Got this glass lens cleaned as much as I care to clean it. I think what I'm going to do is try to get this metal thing in first. So that's in. And if I put this on here, I should be able to raise that metal thing up and have it stay locked in place. And it is. Okay, so this is how you replace the light in your oven. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. Good luck with your do-it-yourself projects.